Welcome back, sparklers! Have you ever wondered how colors work together to create harmony in art? Today, we're diving into a quick look at color theory and the magic behind primary, secondary, and tertiary colors. You'll see how these colors combine to create what I like to call color buddies, or analogous colors, which sit side by side on the color wheel. I like to call them color buddies. We have red, and we're going to skip this for just a moment, but red sits next to orange. So red would be the primary color, and orange is a secondary color because orange is a mixture of red and yellow. And then next to the yellow would be greens, right? Because green, that's a secondary color that's made with primary yellow and primary blue. And then purple is a secondary color that's made with primary blue and primary red, okay? Now in between them, you would make a tertiary color. So this color here is a third color, and tertiary colors are made by mixing a primary and secondary color together, okay? So here we have red orange, orange yellow, yellow green, blue green, or green blue, and then blue violet and violet red, okay? So that's a little bit about primary, secondary, and tertiary colors. Want to explore this in more detail? Then head on over to my analogous watercolor oak leaves video, where we dive deeper into these color buddies and learn how to create a stunning work of art using this technique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the full tutorial to keep your creative journey going. Bye for now, friends.